how to know if Instagram account is open on another device. Now you should know that. Click on these three lines right here. Click on your account center right here, which is your Mappa account center. And then from in there, you should be able to see all of these new things. So as you can see, alert account settings, they have password and security. So just head over and then click on that. And then from in there, you can see this where you're logged in. Head over and click on that. And you can see in here all of the accounts connected to your Instagram. So we have also in here on Facebook. So for example, let's check our Instagram account right here. And you can see the actual devices that's been logged into that account. You can see that it's logged in on the Realme 7 on Minlin. And you can also see in here the actual date that it's been accessed. So you can head over and then see it right here. And you can also click on this and then log it out if you want to as well. So that's how you know if Instagram account is open on another device.